visiting my boyfriend, and I'm now on the couch because his snoring is loud. It is 2 a.m., and I've gotten up many times within the past 3 hours because I just can't fall asleep anymore. I'm a light sleeper. I've been able to fall usually. I don't know how to bring this up to him, and I am afraid he might be offended or hurt because this issue really isn't his fault. Not to mention, we are in an LDR relationship. So we haven't really accounted how this aspect may affect our lifestyle. For example, if we need such quality sleep for work.